In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive Outlook emails quickly and easily so you can keep your inbox clean and organized without deleting important messages. If your inbox is feeling cluttered or overwhelming, archiving emails is one of the best ways to stay productive while still keeping access to everything you might need later. This works whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal email. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Take a moment to look through your emails and decide which ones you want to archive. These could be older messages you don't need right now, completed conversations, or anything you want to remove from your inbox without deleting it. Once you've found an email you want to archive, click on it to select it. If you want to archive multiple emails at once, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and click on each email you want to include. After selecting the email or emails, look at the toolbar at the top of the Outlook window. You'll see an Archive button there. Simply click on Archive and Outlook will immediately move the selected emails out of your inbox. Another way to do this is by right-clicking on the selected email. When the context menu opens, click on Archive from the list of options. This does the exact same thing and is useful if you prefer right-click actions. Once you archive an email, it disappears from your inbox, helping you stay focused on new and important messages. Now, you might be wondering where those archived emails actually go. To find archived items, look at the folder list on the left side of Outlook. Scroll through your folders until you see one labeled Archive. Click on the Archive folder and you'll find all the emails you've archived stored safely there. You can open them, reply to them, or even move them back to your inbox at any time. Archiving is a great habit to build if you want to clean your inbox without losing access to important information. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to archive Outlook emails and find them again whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Outlook and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.